Hey, it's Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We've retrieved the keys and about ready to do an engine startup. Once again, this is the Ford 302 with the automatic transmission, 13,000 miles showing on the odometer. And we're going to do a startup. Just listen to the engine. We'll run through the lights and the wipers, turn signals, and then the funnest part is that we'll just jump on the road. So thanks for coming back and watching part 2.
Alright, we'll go ahead and check out the lights. So you got the running lights. You got that left blinker, right blinker. Right. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around back. Get the wipers, yeah, get the wipers going, work great. Get the running lights in the rear. Left blinker. Right blinker. And there's brake lights. Pop the trunk real quick. Help me with this trunk. Let's get a quick look in there.
That's where your battery is.
Yep, got the battery.
You do have map lights in here, dash lights. Kids are still driving rabbits. That warms my heart. That American V8 sound is totally appropriate in the Apollos. Good suspension as we ride through some of those early dips and bumps. The wheel is tight. There's a little tiny bit of play, but not much. Good braking, so hands free, holds it straight and true. Steering, so really easy to maneuver. So my tach gauge is working. It likes to sit around 1800. Odometer, speedometer, amps, all gauges are working, including the fuel reader, fuel gauge. Viper that's shipping out, going to New Hampshire. It's ready to go. So it is much more than just a car with just phenomenal looks. It's a car that you can jump in and drive. Well sorted. Maybe be certainly welcome to any car show that you could find with this rare Apollo. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Or feel free to reach out to Nick. I can be reached at 563-676-8225. All right, thanks for watching.